5 amazing gadgets that you should try. There's a high-tech aficionado inside all of us, waiting to invest in every product that makes our lives easier. Even if you're someone whose phone desperately needs an update, there's no denying the excitement most of us get when discovering a really awesome piece of tech. Because the thing about gadgets is that they don't have to be covered in confusing buttons or come with a 100-page manual. Some electronics are both high-tech, or at least they feel that way, and simple. Thankfully, ye olde Amazon is filled to the brim with M. From classic techie picks that'll make you feel straight out of a futuristic movie to products that make everyday tasks simpler, the best gadgets on Amazon have you covered, no matter the sitch. Number 1, Skincare Mini Fridge. Perfect for storing beauty products that need to keep cool or a tiny little snack you want to save for later. Store your skincare, personal care, and beauty product faves. From moisturizers to masks, serums to creams, and everything in between. This mini fridge is a game changer. The unique semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra quiet, and 100% environmentally friendly. Cooling capacity 40 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. Number 2, Indoor Electric Stainless Steel S'mores Maker. No fire pit? No problem. Make delicious s'mores in the comfort of your own home with this super cool gadget. Forget the hassle of cutting wood and open flames, this unit is built with safety in mind. The electric flameless heater requires nothing but an electrical outlet to start making perfect golden brown s'mores. Number 3, Apple Watch Series 7 GPS plus cellular. There's nothing quite as high-tech as an Apple Watch, folks. After all, it's basically a tiny computer and phone you wear on your wrist. Is it 2021 or 3021? Why Apple Watch Series 7? The most advanced Apple Watch features powerful health innovations like sensors and apps to measure your blood oxygen and take an ECG. The larger, always-on Retina display makes it easier to use and read. The most durable Apple Watch. Charges faster so you can get going quicker. Send a text, make a call, stream music and podcasts, use Siri, or call for help with emergency SOS. Cellular lets you do it all without your iPhone nearby. And with family setup, kids and parents who don't own an iPhone can enjoy the fun, safety, and connectivity of the Apple Watch. Number 4, Rapid Egg Cooker. Make breakfast easy AF with this egg cooker. It fits up to 6 eggs, too, so you can feed your roommate or fam some fresh eggs in the morning. Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs, your way, every time, we guarantee it. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shells easy to peel, and clean up as a snap. Number 5, Handheld Garment Steamer. Gone are the days when you have to pull out the iron in order to dismiss wrinkles from your clothes. With a handheld steamer, you can get your entire wardrobe looking sharp in no time. 240 milliliters capacity, this steamer for clothes produces 15 minutes of continuous desired temperature steaming. Leading technology, the unique 304 stainless steel heating panel ensures anti-rust, anti-oxidation, and a much longer lifespan than other materials like aluminum. Easy to use, the OG-Hum handheld steamer is easy to move around with a 9 feet extra long cord. Alright, that's enough for today. All product links in the description below. See you in the next video.